Hi guys, Joe again here from Ultraframe Windows and Doors at Matraville. So one of the common questions we get when customers and clients come in with regards to replacing windows and doors is what options or what can we do with blinds, curtains and that sort of thing. So what we've done, we've collaborated with a blind company at Randwick, which is Quality Blinds, and we've got a couple on display in the showroom to give the customer an understanding of what options there are that they can add to the new products once they purchase them from us. The first one is on our tilt and turn window, which will basically tilt and then open round. So that's a tilt and turn window, and this has got a built-in blind which is in a nice neat track, and then basically it lifts right up as a pleated blind. There are different fabrics and different effects and colours that you can have, but that's a really nice neat finish that complements the window and acts as a built-in blind. The guys at Randwick Quality Blinds, they're the guys that will help you with that on choice and design. The other blind is a roller blind that's built into the door, which is very similar to that. It's on a nice neat frame all the way around, and it basically runs on a cord that you pull down. That's your roller blind that's actually built into the frame of the door, so you can open the door and the blind just stays in position, and then same again, you pull it up when you want to open it. Just same again, Quality Blinds at Randwick, they're the guys that will help you with the blinds on your new windows and doors.